Okay, this is problem 23 from chapter 3, CFIN7. Lucky Casinos LC must raise $150 million to pay bills. If it issues no common stock to raise the funds, LC must pay its investment banker 8% of the total amount issued. The new issue will require LC to pay $190,000 in fees to its lawyer, its printer, and others associated with the issue. LC can issue stock for $250 per share. How many shares of common stock must be issued so that it has $250 million after flotation costs? Show the total, how much the total dollar amount will be flotation costs, and how much LC will receive after the flotation costs are paid. So LC is going to receive the $150 million. All right, additional cost, $190,000. And then the investment banker is going to charge 8%. So the issue size equals open parentheses plus 150,000 plus 150 million plus 190,000 divided by 1 minus 8%, and we get an issue size of $63,250,000. So they're going to receive $250 for each share. So the number of shares is 163,250,000 divided by the 250. So 653,000 shares. And flotation costs are just the issue size minus the funds needed. So $13,250,000.